After smooth passage in Lok Sabha, the Narendra Modi government faces an uphill task in the Rajya Sabha on Sunday to get the contentious farm bills passed. On Saturday, the Modi government reached out to various like-minded political parties to seek their support for these bills. Centre says that the legislation is not anti-farmer. This even as NDA's key ally Akali Dal openly dissented and Harsimrat Kaur Badal resigned from the Modi cabinet on Thursday. For now, NDA allies JDU and LJP have voiced support for the bills. Former BJP ally Shiv Sena too is backing the Modi government. The non-NDA and non-UPA parties, like the TRS, however, have openly voiced their opposition against the farm bills. So has the Aam Aadmi Party. And trouble for Narendra Modi government seems to be only growing. RSS affiliate Bharatiya Kisan Sangh has sought more scrutiny of the farm bills. Another Sangh affiliate, Swadeshi Jagran Manch, has appealed to the Prime Minister to ensure minimum support price to farmers. On the ground, despite assurances from the Prime Minister Modi himself, there is no end to protests. From farmers to wholesalers, the anger refuses to ebb.
मोदी जी ने जो बात कही है वो पूरी नहीं अधूरी बात कही है। अधूरी इसलिए बात कही है, बिचौलिया तो खत्म करेंगे, लेकिन बाहर का जो व्यापारी आएगा, कोई भी व्यापारी आएगा, डायरेक्ट खरीदने आएगा, उससे सेफ कौन करेगा? उस सेफ्टी की गारंटी क्या है?
इसमें मंडी की व्यवस्था मतलब फेल होने की चांस है, क्योंकि वो टैक्स से बचने के लिए मंडी वाले बढ़िया भी बाहर से खरीदेंगे।
And it's not just the farmers, but the middlemen too are up in arms.
सेंट्रल सरकार भी ये कह रही है और हमारी हरियाणा सरकार भी ये कह रही है कि जो मंडियां बसी हुई हैं, मंडियों के अंदर टैक्स होगा और बाहर मंडी से कोई टैक्स नहीं होगा। तो ये तो मंडियों को बर्बाद करने की योजना है सरकार की। हम सरकार से ये कहते हैं साफ साफ तौर पे बताए, या तो जो हमारे को बिचौलिया बताया जा रहा है मंडी के आड़तियों को, हम बिचौलिया हमको कैसे मानते हैं? हम तो कमीशन एजेंट हैं, हम सरकार के लाइसेंस से, सरकार को हमारा लाइसेंस दे रखा है, हम तो लाइसेंस बेस पे काम करते हैं, हमारे को बिचौलिया क्यों कहा जा रहा है?
Not just in the north, the anger is also palpable in southern states, where farmers feel both BJP and Congress have done nothing for them.
All politicians, that the central ruling politicians are thinking that we are the slaves of India, so they don't want to help us. So because they think that we will not, the paddy grower, wheat grower, and the sugarcane grower will not join together and will fight. So that's the reason they are cheating us. That's the reason they are thinking that we are the slaves of India.
Had the central government spoken to more farmers, especially in states like Punjab and Haryana, where there is a majority of the population is involved in farming, maybe the reforms could have come out better. This is what the farmers who are protesting here in Sonipat, Haryana, have to say about the bills, about the reforms of the central government. With camera person Himanshu in Sonipat, Haryana, I'm Tanushri Pandey for India Today.